Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to hide and unhide columns in Excel. First let's see how to hide columns. There are many ways in Excel to hide a column or columns in a spreadsheet. We'll see some of them. For this, first select the column or columns you want to hide. If you want to select the columns that are not on line next to each other, then use Ctrl key instead of Shift. Then right click. Here we can see an option called Hide. Click on that. Now you can see that two columns are hidden. The hidden columns are not visible on the table, but they have not been deleted. They are just hidden. You can unhide them anytime. Next, we'll see one more way to hide the columns. Click on Undo. Select the columns. Then go to Home tab. Click on Format button. Under Visibility, we have an option called Hide and Unhide. From here, click on Hide Columns. We can see the columns are hidden. Next, we are going to see how to unhide the columns. You can do it by selecting one column on the left and one on the right hand side of the columns. Then right click. Here we can see an option called Unhide. Next, we'll see another way. Go to Undo. Select the column from left and right hand side. Then go to Home tab. Here we have an option called Format. Click on Format. Under Visibility, we have an option called Hide and Unhide. From here, click on Unhide Columns. Now we can see the hidden columns are visible. Next, if you want to unhide the columns from the whole spreadsheet, then click on the top left hand corner. Now right click on any cell. Click on Unhide. In this way, we do hide and unhide columns in Excel. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.